Hello everyone, I'm Grace from MedicLink. Gong Hei Fat Choi, Gong Hei Fat Choi. We have come to the season of reunion celebration and making food our best companion yet again, of course. So this is undoubtedly a season that a lot of people look forward to year after year because of the fun and festivities that it brings forth, right? Unfortunately, we have been hit by a pandemic last year and things are undeniably going to be a bit different this year. A lot of people are going to spend this Chinese New Year away from their family and loved ones. But if you do have a relative within a 10 km radius, please feel free to head on over and spend some quality time, as long as you adhere strictly to the SOPs. I understand it's Chinese New Year, but not all of us, I don't know about you, but not all of us have 1,000 ringgit to just please don't waste 1,000 ringgit fine, guys. Here are the 5 things that you can still do whether or not you're with your family during this MCO Chinese New Year 2021. Number 5, have a Lao Sang session over video call. In this case, you can actually get your relatives from overseas, your kids to join in the fun and tradition to shout some good wishes. Number 4, it is a season of sharing and caring. You might not be able to get together physically, but you can still order and deliver food and Chinese New Year goodies to others to wish them a good and prosperous year ahead. There are so many delivery companies out there for you to choose on, be it Grab, be it Lalamove, GoGet, you name it. Of course, how can we forget about the angpaos? There's so many ways to get the money moving out there, Auntie Uncle. There's online transfer, there's e-wallet transfer. If you don't know how, I can show you. Thank you very much. Number 3, look at old photo books, or in this case, the photo albums in your phone. Everyone pick a favorite moment, reminisce about it, talk about it, and laugh about it together. If there is one thing that the pandemic taught us, it is the importance of connecting and spending time with your loved ones. Number 2, if you're someone who's in Feng Shui, this is actually a good time to look into the decoration of your interior space to enhance your qi and positive energy. Personally, I like to have some plants around the space. For example, in front of you is one of the money plants, which is known to bring wealth into the household. Who doesn't like money, right? And number 1, apart from the regular chotai tea, you can also explore new and different card games with your family. One of the examples would be Codenames. If you're good at recognizing trends and patterns, you would most likely have an upper hand at this game. Another example would be the House Party app. This is actually my personal favorite because in this app, you can actually find online versions of Uno, Dictionary, charades, Heads Up. It's going to be a whole lot of fun, I can assure you that. So there you go, a couple of ways for you to make the best out of the situation and just simply have a good time. Also, we have a few friends from the front lines to come extend their wishes to everyone.
I wish everyone a very special and happy Chinese New Year during this MCO time. Follow SOP strictly, stay healthy, stay safe for yourself and your loved one. 新年快乐，万事如意，身体健康，步步高升。
Kami dari Jabatan Anestesia dan Rawatan Rapi Hospital Teluk Intan mengucapkan Selamat Tahun Baru Cina!
Wishing all my friends and colleagues and all those celebrating Chinese New Year a very happy Chinese New Year. Gong Xi Fa Cai, take care and stay safe.
Selamat menyambut Tahun Baru Cina. Gong Xi Fa Cai. Jaga SOP, sentiasa cuci tangan, elakkan berkumpul di tempat-tempat yang tidak sepatutnya. Pakai PPE, pakai mask jika anda adalah staf kesihatan dan menjaga pesakit COVID.
Happy Chinese New Year! Dari kami
We from Anesthesia Department Hospital Tuan Kru Jaafar Seremban wishing all Xing Nian Bai Le
万
四
如意。
恭喜恭喜！